So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram full screen mode not working on Android. Lot of Instagram users reported to update Instagram applications after full screen mode not working on Android phone. This Instagram full screen problem show on Mi, Vivo, Oppo, Realme and also another models. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix Instagram full screen mode not working on Android phone. Please make sure follow the step. Now I will open the Play Store. Now you can see also already update Instagram applications. Updated Instagram applications. After again come back in home screens. Now open the Instagram. In Instagram applications you can see also open after bottom side full screen not working on Android phone. This problem show on your Android devices. Now Android users, one important question is how to fix Instagram full screen not working on Android phone. So guys, it's Instagram bugs on your Android devices. Now question is how to fix that issue on your Android phone. So guys, now please make sure follow the step. Now first one solution is wait for the new Instagram updates on your Android devices. Also second solutions imported for the Android users. These solutions too you can easily Instagram full screen mode fix on your Android devices. Solution is back to previous versions of the Instagrams. So guys, now question is how to get previous versions on Instagram. So guys, now in this video you can see also this link I give you on my description box. So guys, please make sure tap on that and open on your Android devices. Now simply tap on the link on your Android phone. Now wait for the some times. Wait after you can see also this type interface show your Android devices. Now you can see also Instagram APK file available. So guys, this is the previous versions of the Instagram. So guys, now you can see also blue box download options available. So guys, please make sure download on your Android phone. Download and install the previous versions of the Instagram before the delete the latest versions of the Instagram on your Android devices. Uninstall the latest versions of the Instagram after you can easily download and install the previous versions of the Instagram. Download and install the previous versions after again come back in home screens. Now open the Instagram. You can easily full screen mode fix on your Instagram. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.